Are you having problems with your boot dating app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do first is to just close your boot dating app, and instead you're actually going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So now on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down just a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So scroll down just a little bit and then click on storage. And by the way, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly, that my boot dating app wasn't working. We're just going to wait for this to load here completely. It's going to take a couple of more seconds, and then what we're going to do after this, we're going to scroll down and find the boot dating app. So now I'm just going to find the app in here. I think it's all the way down here if I remember correctly. I'm going to keep scrolling down. Oh, here it is, Boo, as you can see. So just click on the Boo dating app. Now click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Now what you're going to actually do is to wait for the Boo dating app to completely update to the newest version, because it seems that when they do release a new version, a lot of times our app will not work until we do this exact thing right here, and I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you.